Route 710, Chelsea Express, westbound or outbound, starting at the Cancer Center on East Medical Drive. Continue on East Medical Center Drive. Stop approaching U of M main entrance. Stop approaching Mott Hospital stop. Continuing on East Medical Center Drive. At the light, traffic light is Observatory. Gonna make a right turn. Stop. Here at Cardiovascular. Going to continue around the Cardiovascular roundabout here. This places you on Ann Street. At the traffic light, this is in their picture. Going to make a left turn. After our left turn onto Zena Picture, there is a stop. At the stop sign is East Huron. We're gonna make a right turn. After you turn, you can get all the way over to the left lane. You're going to be making a left turn at the second traffic light down, which is Fletcher. Making our left onto Fletcher. Very first corner is Washington. We're gonna make a right turn. Coming up mid-block is our Chelsea Express stop. This is a time point. continuing on Washington, approaching State Street. We're going to continue straight across. Coming up mid-block is our stop. At the traffic light is Division. I'm going to make a right turn. After you conclude your turn, you're going to get all the way over to the left lane. We're making a left turn back on the East Huron. After our left turn, there is a stop at the Ann Arbor Municipal Center. Continuing westbound, outbound on Huron. Here at 4th Street on the right side is the Washtenaw County Courthouse. After crossing 4th, there is a Chelsea pickup. Here at Huron and Main Street, this is a time point. Mid-block, there's a stop. After crossing 1st Avenue, we are at the Delonis Center. Stop. It is from this point we go into our express. There are no more pickups. Destination is the Arctic Coliseum, where we will make our drop off. After crossing 7th Street, the next traffic light will be our Dexter-Jackson split. I'm going to get over in the left lane. We're going to veer to the left and turn onto Jackson. Continuing on to Jackson. We're approaching Maple at the light. We're going to continue straight across. We're going to merge onto the westbound I-94 ramp. Immediately after you cross Maple, the westbound I-94 ramp comes up to the right. Make our entrance into the ramp. Proceed westbound on I-94 for approximately 13 miles. We will exit at exit number 159. Continuing on I-94 westbound. We're approaching the M52 Chelsea exit. It is at mile marker number 159. So your total length on I-94, duration will last about 15 minutes or so. And get over in the right-hand lane. Exiting at 159. When we come to the traffic light, we're going to be at Main Street. At Main, we will make a left turn at the stoplight. Making our left turn at Main. We're going to continue north on Main. After you pass the trailer park on the right hand side, you'll see the McDonald's come into view. When you reach the McDonald's, begin to look for Old Manchester Road to come in on the left side. Just before the floors on the left, right across from the church. Make a left. Gonna stay on Old Manchester here. On the left side is the Chelsea Lumber Company. We're only gonna go about a block or so. We'll make our next left turn on Coliseum Drive. You'll begin to see the Arctic Coliseum come into view on the left side. The park and ride parking is on the north side of the building. There's two driveways here. You have the first one here, which is your entrance into the Coliseum. There's a back driveway, which kind of makes it easy to service the patrons if you come to the last driveway at the back of the building. You want to make a quick left and then another quick left. I'm going to pull down the aisle. And You'll note our Chelsea stand stop is at the very end of the building on the right side. You can begin to load your patrons here. This is the end of the westbound, outbound 710 Chelsea Express.